Look at these strange eyes growing on thin black stalks. Most people failed to see the hidden number 3. Did you? This is the Toli monster. It's a 300-million-year-old biological glitch. It is a smooth-skinned eel with eyes on long, thin sticks and a long, flexible snout that ends in a small biological claw. No scales, no metal, no dinosaur teeth. It's just a weird, soft-bodied mystery from Illinois that scientists cannot explain. I found the actual high-tech 3D scans that prove this thing might be a prehistoric alien. The full 5-minute investigation is on my channel page now. Look for the thumbnail with the giant green eye. It's 100% factual. Ish? Probably did not happen. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for more mysteries.